Hello friends, this is Karnataka set paper, the exam which was held on 27th September 2020. I hope this will help you for revising for the coming exams, for the coming Karnataka set exams. So the first question is, ASIC stands for American Specific Instruction Code, Application Specific Integrated Circuit, Application Specific Instruction Code, or American Standard Input Code. So the answer is B, Application Specific Integrated Circuit. So the second is, the capacity of the telecommunication channel stated in megabyte or gigabyte per second is called hertz, real time, baud rate, or bandwidth. So the answer is D, bandwidth. So whatever the capacity is being of the telecommunication channel is stated in bandwidth. Okay, and the third answer is, a semiconductor device that stores and modifies information while the computer is operating, but that also retain information when the computer is turned off. So the answer is A, flash memory, buffer memory, random access memory, or fuzzy memory. So the answer is A, that is flash memory. Okay, so which is semiconductor device which stores, modifies information when the computer is operating and also retain information when the computer is turned off. So the answer is flash memory. Okay, let's move on to the fourth question. Telecommunication network that spans a wide geographical area such as a state or country is called A, all area network, B, global area network, C, local area network, D, wide area network. Here the answer is wide area network. So it is based on a state or a country when the telecommunication network which covers, so that will be considered as wide area network. Okay, so now let's move on. Which one of the following is not a operating system? So which one of the following is not a operating system? A, Unix, B, Linux, C, Windows XP, D, Linux. So here the answer is D, the Linux. Linux is not an operating system. You can see Linux is an operating system. Unix and Windows are operating system, but not the Linux. Linux is not the operating system. Okay. Sixth one, special education courses are controlled by A, Special Education Council of India, B, Rehabilitation Council of India, C, National Council of Teacher Education, D, Medical Council of India. So here the answer is, whenever the special education is coming, that is controlled by the B, Rehabilitation Council of India. Okay, now let's move on to the seventh question. The scheme introduced by the government to bridge the gap in the skills to use computing devices by the urban and rural teacher. So which is the options is A, RUSA, RUSA, B, NME, C, NMIECT, D, NMECIT. So here we are going to get the grace mark because we don't know the exact answer. Even in the key answer, it has been not given any particular answer for this. So the answer could be anything. Let's move on. Eighth one. Gyan Vijnan Vimuktaye is the motto of A, IGNOU, that is Indira Gandhi National Open University, B, Jnana Vijnana Ayog, C, University of Mysore, D, UGC. So the answer is D. UGC, University Grant Commission motto is Gyan Vijnan Vimuktai. Okay, let's move on to the 9th. Name the women empowerment program initiated by the central government in the year 1989. A. Mahila Kalyan, B. Mahila Samakhya, C. Mahila Jagruti, D. Mahila Andolan. So the answer is Mahila Samakhya, B. Okay. So here we have got a match the following. Sampitroda Committee, Jnanam Committee, Yashpal Committee and Sharma Committee. Our answer is A. It means Sampitroda Committee, 1500 universities, Jnanam Committee, NCHER, Yashpal Committee is CHER and Sharma Committee is ISER. So here the answer is A. Which one of the following is important when a teacher communicates with student? So whenever a teacher is communicating with a student, what is more important? A. Sympathy, B. Empathy, C. Apathy, D. Animosity. So the answer is empathy. So as in every human being, they should have to be empathetic. When they should have to feel the situation of others, so that the teacher should always have to be empathetic. Okay, let's move on to the 12th question. What is the most efficient method of teaching? So A. Teacher centric, information centric, C. student centric, D. text centric. So here the answer should be student centric. Whenever teaching aptitude question, we should always have to think what is the best for the student. Based on that we have to give the answer. So what we have to teach, we have to method according what the student prefer to and what is the most needed to the students. Based on that we have to teach them. Okay, which one among the following is not a teaching skill? A. Blackboard writing, questioning, explaining, dictating notes. So dictating notes is not a teaching skill. Dictation, even a child can do dictations. So dictating can be done by anyone, but it is not among the teaching skill. The most appropriate purpose of learning is A. Inculcation of knowledge, B. Modification of behavior, C. Personal adjustment and D. Acquisition of skill. So the main appropriate purpose of teaching is modification of behavior. When there is no any modification in the behavior, there is no impact of teaching has been learning has been made. So the main thing is that modification of behavior. So 15th one, a teacher is said to be fluent in asking question if he can ask A. Meaningful question, B. As many questions as possible, C. Maximum number of questions in a fixed time, D. Many meaningful questions in a fixed time. So here the answer is D. Many meaningful questions in a fixed time. Okay, so here we have got the read the passage given below and answer the question from 16 to 20 based on your understanding of the passage. So here a journal is talking about the empowerment of women. So based on that we have got the reading passage. Okay, we'll go through with the question answers immediately. The phrase "give us our due" indicates that the friend is A. liberal male politician, B. progressive male activist, C. a woman, D. a conservative woman. So here the answer is a woman. letter writer is very critical of men for A. being patronizing towards women, B. refusing to accept any reform, C. bringing harsher laws against women, D. being unresponsive to their demand. So 17th answer is A, being patronizing towards women. So she is talking about the women empowerment, so that she is guiding the women, she is supporting it. So here the 18th question, the letter writer argues the most families A are ready to abdicate their responsibility toward daughter, B consider daughter a curse, C will only put up with daughter till they are married, D recognize the worth of the daughter. So here the answer is C, will only put up with daughter till they are married. The author supports the Sarada Bill because A, he is sympathetic towards women, B, women need men's support, generally believes in equality between men and women, all the provision of Sarada Bill are acceptable to him. Here the answer is C, genuinely believes in equality between men and women. In the last paragraph, do you think the author A contradicts all he has said so far? B has reservation about women sharing property, C opposes greed in everyone, D mention his reservation to reject the Sarda Bill. The answer for this is B. He reservation about women sharing property. So this is the DI question. You can go through with the questions, or I will mark only the answers. Okay, the 21st question, what percentage of breast cancer cases in India present with stage 3 and 4 disease? So the answer for 21st is B, and the 22nd answer is A, 23rd answer is B, and 24th answer is A. 25th answer is C. Okay, so 26th answer, now A does 4/5 of a work in 20 days, he then calls B and they together finish the remaining work in 3 days. How long B alone would take to do the whole work? So this is mathematical reasoning. Here the answer is 37.5 days. Complete the series, 27th one. So here the question, the answer is A, 3399. If rejection is coded as this, then how mechanic will be coded? The answer is B. Again we have a question, if a boy can walk, 29th one, if a boy can walk from his house at 4 kilometers, and this is the question, but the answer is 29th one is B, that is 4 kilometers. Okay, if A money to B is 4:5 and B money to C, again it's a reasoning question, so the answer is C. Which is the nodal agency of UNEP? So here the answer is C. 32nd is Wildlife Protection Act came into force in the year 1972, 1992, 2000 or 2002. Here the answer is 1972. Okay, where is the headquarters of Zoological Society of India? Bengaluru, New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata. So the answer is Kolkata. 34th one, The National Disaster Management Authority functions under the Union Ministry of A. Environment, B. Water Resource, C. Home Affairs, or D. Defense. Here the answer is C. Home Affairs. Whenever the disasters and all occurs, it comes under the Ministry of Home Affairs. 35th, which state has the maximum mangrove vegetation in India? So, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, West Bengal or Karnataka? Answer is West Bengal. So, here we are getting some research type of questions. What type of survey is census? Analytical, descriptive, enumeration or exploratory? The answer is C. Enumeration survey. What is known as representative sample? A. Non-probability sampling, B. Probability, C. Quota, D. Snowball. The answer for the 37th is B. Probability sampling. 38th one, which methodology has control group? A. Survey research, B. Experimental research, C. Case study method, D. Field research. So, 38th question answer is experimental research. So, whenever you have an experiment, you will be having some control group. So, that based on that you will be checking what is the result with the control group and non-control groups. So, that is considered under experimental research. So, what is variable? Construct, establish relationship, hypothesis or measurable attribute. So, the answer is measurable attribute. Variable is something which is a measurable attribute. So, 40th we have a match the following: elections, bark, ABC, population. So, 40th answer we have is C. It means A is equal to exit poll, B is TV rating, C ABC is second one circulation, and population is Venn diagram. Okay, we have some communication based. What type of communication? That is through television. Intrapersonal communication, public communication, mass media communication. So, the answer is mass communication. Don't get confused with mass communication and mass media communication. There is a difference between them, but the TV is coming under the mass communication. What is the geographical reach of community radio? So, community radio reach is 10 kilometers. Janadhwani community radio is located in which place? 43. So, answer is Tumkur, HD Kote, Dharwar or Mysuru. So, the answer is HD Kote. 44th one, who established Seva, Gujarat? So, we don't know the proper answer of this. We are going to get the grace mark for this. Okay. Match the following. Again, 45th one. So, advertising, TV, mass media, radio, new media. 45th one, we have the answer B. It means A is equal to idea merchant. TV, advertising is idea merchant. TV is babysitter. Mass media is magic multipliers. Radio is little media. And new media is Arab Spring. Okay, let's move on to the final page. Here we have got some assumptions, statement and assumptions. So, the question below is followed by two arguments, 1 and 2. Decide which of the argument is strong and which is weak. So, choose the correct answer from the given below. So, the statement, should there be a ban on product advertising? Argument, yes, the money spent on advertising is huge and it inflates the cost of the product. Argument number 2, no, it is an age of advertising. Unless your advertisement is better than of your competitor, the product will not sell. So the answer A, only the argument is strong. B, only the argument 2 is strong. C, neither the argument 1 nor argument 2 is strong. D, both the argument are strong. So here the answer is A, only the argument 1 is strong. So 47th one. In the following question, a statement is followed by two assumptions 1 and 2. An assumption is something supposed or taken for granted. Consider the statement and the following assumption and decode which of the following assumption is implicit in the statement. So the statement, it glitters, so it is gold. Assumption, all that glitter is gold. Assumption 2, glittering things are not gold. So the options, only assumption 1 is implicit, only assumption 2 is implicit, neither assumption 1 nor 2 is implicit, both the assumptions are implicit. So here the answer is A, only assumption 1 is implicit. So this is the 47th. Here the 48th. Consider the following statement, all countries are continent. Some countries are oceans, no ocean is sea, all sea are continent. Which of the following inference can be drawn from the above statement? A, some seas are countries, B, all ocean or continent, some ocean or continent, D, all countries are ocean. So 48th one, we have the answer C, some ocean or continent. This is a choose the pair of words which show the same relationship as given below. Tree, sampling. Rock, mountain. Horse, foal. Giant, dwarf. Hut, mansion. So the thing which is very much familiar is the answer B. B is more familiar because tree, sapling and horse, foal. This is more familiar than the rest. They are living one. Also, so the final 50th one, among the 4 terms marked A to D, 3 terms are similar and 1 is dissimilar. Find the one that is not similar. So you can see jasmine, lotus, rose, marigold. Here you can see that lotus is a water plant, it is in the water, and the rest is in the land that doesn't grow in the water. So that is the thing which is finding out the odd. So that is it, and thank you for watching my video.